Indian food and agro industry is expected to grow by $280 billion by 2015, and the sector is expected to create employment for an additional 8.2 million people. Among the many agro products that India is well known for is a value-added product that has made the country a leader on the world map. India is the world's leading producer and exporter of menthol.
10 years back, there was no consumption of mint in the cosmetics industries. Like you can see that nowadays so many lipsticks or the powders are also being used for the mint flavors. Same as flavors also, and the food and beverages also. So the consumption is increasing every year by 8 to 10% per annum.
Himanshu Agarwal, an engineer by qualification, found his true calling in being an entrepreneur. So in 1996, he established his first company called Siddhant Chemicals, and a few years later, its subsidiary called KV Aromatics, a company that manufactures menthol crystals and its derivatives.
Mainly, it is consumed in the flavors and fragrances and the pharmaceutical industries. Other products is a peppermint oil, and there are derivatives also. These are all consumed in flavor and fragrance industry only.
Today, KV Aromatics supplies its products to the who's who of oral care, pharmaceutical, healthcare and food companies of India. Not just that, most of its products are also exported to China, USA, Europe, Brazil and Russia. Spearheading the company's marketing activities is Himanshu's younger brother Aman Agarwal, an engineer with an MBA degree. He also plays a key role in inculcating professionalism into this traditional family-owned business.
We have included several training programs, several development programs, moreover several rotation activities and other kind of activities to motivate and to inculcate the spirit of association with the company, and that's where professionalism and a family business differentiates. We don't believe it's a business of a family. We want everyone to believe it's the business of everybody who is associated with it, starting from the vendor to the management to the end person.
KV Aromatics has a simple strategy of being as close to the farmer as possible, ensuring that it procures quality raw material at competitive prices. With India producing over 70% of the world's menthol, it's a win-win situation for SMEs like KV Aromatics.
When we talk about the particular product called menthol and the derivatives of menthol, one important part of the strategy is to meet the volatility of the pricing of the product. Secondly, quality is the main criteria because it's the product which makes your company. So in our marketing strategies, we value it a lot.
KV Aromatics has a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh. That, coupled with its professionalism, a dedicated workforce of over 100 people and a production capacity of 5,000 metric tons per annum, has earned the company a turnover of 126 crore rupees. And with that, some international recognition too.
The major milestone of our company was in the last year 2010 when the Chinese Prime Ministers came to India with their Chinese delegates to sign the business contracts with the Indian companies. In that conference, the KV Aromatics was the only company from our industry who had signed a $10 million contract with one of the Chinese company, for which has to be executed for 2 years, in 2 years.
But all these accolades have not been easy to get. KV Aromatics, like most other small and medium enterprises, faces numerous hurdles on a daily basis.
The government should give some facilities to the farmers to grow the leaves, to grow the mentha oil. because we had seen from a long times that while growing the menthol, wastage of menthol are very much there. We do also see that some contamination also comes in the menthol because of the uneducated farmers are involved in the growing of the menthol.
This industry is really volatile. In terms of price factor, you can expect anything over the night. So the biggest challenge is to meet the commitment.
Surmounting these challenges is what motivates these entrepreneurs. With plans of expanding existing capacities and launching another manufacturing plant this year, the Agarwal brothers are walking fast ahead of competition on the path